Dawn took that PPO?
She did.
Okay, perfect. All right. Have a good day, Chief.
You too, Peter. See you tomorrow.
Yep, see you tomorrow.
Okay, put us on the record, please. All right, we have two matters today involving Mr. Is it Arntz or Arentz?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Arentz Kindred. Mr. Kindred is present. Well, Mr. Russell, I'll be with you in just a minute. Thank you. Okay, so we have the matter of Kindred versus Kindred and the matter of Craddock versus Kindred. I do have a summary from Mr. Costley indicating on the 2012 file a balance of $662. Looks like the last time there was a payment was when unemployment funds were withheld from an unemployment check. And then in the 2017 file, that's currently charging at $239 a month, $54.94 a week, and arrears of $6,828.37. And once again, last payment was July 14th, I'm assuming through that same income withholding order. Mr. Kindred, are you working?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
Work at the Wendy's now at on the airport.
And how long have you been working there?
I just started. It's like my second day.
Okay. Is that a part-time position for you or full-time?
I believe it's part-time. I try to get as many hours as I can though.
So Lou, I'm seeing Referee Murphy recommends pay or stay. Does she realize that pay or stay isn't working these days? It seems like an odd recommendation when I can't do it.
Yes, Your Honor. We are still putting people on pay or stay. But yes, the jail isn't really lodging, so we're just hoping that they actually pay.
So how is that different from a weekly payment plan?
It's not.
Okay.
That's just what Referee Murphy was recommending. I have no problem with on regular payment plan.
Okay, so Mr. Kindred, until they start withholding from your pay, you need to be paying something towards your child support obligation. The recommendation from the referee is that you pay a total of $35 a week, $5 towards the 2012 file with arrearage only, and $30 a week towards your current support obligation. Is that something you're able to do?
Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and just do it that way. That's fine with me. I don't have no problems with that at all.
So here's what I'll do. I will order this, but as soon as you see that they are withholding child support obligations from your paycheck, you can stop the payment and we'll just rely on that, okay?
Okay. No, I was wondering if I may ask a few questions, if that's okay.
You certainly may. Go right ahead.
I've never had a problem paying or providing for the children. I just have one issue with the the time that I'm able to spend with him. It just seems like that is the last thing on the objective list, and I feel like that should be the most important. Just because it is a young man growing up in a world that is chaotic, he needs his father. Um, Money is obviously an important thing, but I feel like I've grown. I could be a good role model to him and for him. I understand that he may have other people around him, and that's fine. I don't have, that's cool with me, but I just feel like if I'm paying for a child, I should be entitled to just as much as everyone else.
So I'm looking back, looks like back 2 years ago, a little more than 2 years ago, I ordered some supervised parenting time. And when I do that, I see I did it in this case. I scheduled a review hearing to see how that was going, and I'm going to guess that nobody showed up for the review hearing.
It's probably because we didn't get notice of a review. And here's the thing: when me and the child's mother is on good terms, I get all the parenting time I want. But it's when we have differences, it's when we have to go through this. So, and that's probably another reason. So, um,
Well,
I don't know.
here's what I'd suggest to you, sir. I can't really do anything about parenting time today other than give you a little guidance.
Yes, sir.
What I recommend you do is file another motion for parenting time, and your request can be addressed in that setting. I really can't address it today
Yes,
because
sir.
she's not here and she didn't receive notice of anything other than a child support hearing.
Okay.
So if you want me to take a fresh look at parenting time, I'm happy to do that, but it has to be noticed up and she has to get noticed so that she can participate.
Okay. Yes, sir.
All right, Lou, you'll prepare those orders?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you very much.
I'll contact Wendy's and have an income holding order put in as well.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
Mr. Kindred, congratulations on the job. I hope that works out for you. Have a good day, sir. Okay, Mr. Russell, come on up here. I am so sorry, sir, that I missed this and made you had to come back. Actually saw it. I saw it shortly after you left and called your phone and left a message, but apparently someone told you that you couldn't bring your phone into court.
Yeah. Oh, that's the way it was the last time.
That's the way it used to be.
Yeah.
And so take your time and review this statement.
Okay.
And if you're okay with that, if you could just sign that, and you're welcome to put today's date on that. That's okay.
Okay. 25th.
25th. Just let me know if you have a question.
All right. I want you to know too, I appreciate that.